Let's see. Cool. Okay, we'll see if anyone shows up today. Wonder if the music's too loud. See. All right. Okay, so post it there. Now I need to post on the Facebook page, and then I'm ready to start. So, okay, you guys are talking about markers. What are markers? I'm not good enough at the whole AR thing yet to know what that is. Is that like marking where stuff shows up? I should stop listening to myself. That's weird. Okay. AR.js, let's see. Readme at master. So this, I think this would be a marker, right? That thing under the character, that's a marker. I mean, didn't the Pokemon thing work without markers? Okay. I mean, they worked without markers because people were walking around the city and taking photos of everything. Ah, okay. Well, that's kind of a bummer. Okay, let's try to run a demo. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we have, that's the marker image, and I need this link on my, oh no, not there. Okay, let me go get my phone and we can try this. Okay, got a phone. Let's see if maybe I can make myself bigger so that we can show this stuff. Okay, so then I have to go to, what is the quickest way to send this link to myself? I'm just gonna use the chat room with my girlfriend. Okay, cool. So I go here. It didn't send. What? Ah, there we go. Okay. Cool. So click that. Webcam error. Media device is not present in your browser. Does this not work on Safari? That's lame. Okay, let's try Chrome. So this is a problem.
Oh my God,
Is it possible that this doesn't work on an iPhone? Okay. What? Okay. Now what can I do? We can try.
Oh my god.
Can you just take that stuff away from him?
He's trying to open doors. You're too smart now.
Okay, we're gonna try a different approach. I'm gonna send the marker to my browser, to my phone, and I'm gonna try opening the demo on my other thing, on my computer. So we allow the camera here, okay, and I go open the marker. Now if I show the marker, well, okay, so that's cool. Okay, so it kind of works. I can't do it on my phone, but I can use my phone as a marker. Interesting. Okay, let me just hide my laundry. Okay. Cool. Now let's see if we can use this to build something. Guess next step is to try running it locally. Let's see. Wonder how I can I update my phone to iOS 11? I wonder how I would do that. Okay, let's see. No, don't want to do that. Don't want notifications. This looks very complicated. Do we know when iOS 11 is coming out? There we go. Sweet! I have the oldest supported iPhone for this. Actually, no, I have a better one. I have a 5SE. Okay. So I'm wondering if applying for a yes, allow. Ah, fuck. 693.652. Remember this stupid browser. Okay. So what do? I download it on my Mac or PC, plug in my device, tap General Software Update, tap Download and Install. What? Oh. Okay, let's try doing that. So I'm gonna go on my device and install it there. developer.apple.com/download. That's it. This is probably gonna fuck up my phone. Yes, please allow. Well, that's weird. Ah, that is so dumb. Okay, so I clicked OK on my phone when it showed me the verification code. So it then hid the verification code, so I couldn't type it over. Okay, got that. And I go download the beta thing. I don't know how well that focuses. Install. Passcode. Install. Restart required. Yes, restart yourself. I don't know what my phone is doing, but I'm hoping it's updating itself. Cool. Phone booted up. I think that's a good sign. So while my phone is updating, we can... What can we do while my phone is updating? We can keep trying to play with AR.js. I don't actually know how to use this. Project, multi-markers. Okay, so they have a lot of Okay, let's try this. So we go into terminal, random coding, and then just because I'm lazy, I'm gonna use create React app. Yeah, AR.js experiment. Right? Okay. Oh, phone is already rebooted. Okay, so then what's the next thing I have to do? I need power and internet with Wi-Fi. Okay, I have Wi-Fi. What? We go to settings, general, software update, and it gives me the option to update to iOS 11. It says this beta version of iOS should only be deployed on devices dedicated for iOS 11 beta software development. This is obviously my main phone that I'm using for everything, so server-side rendering, for instance, for something like this. So like server-side rendering for something like this, which is essentially a static website, would be extremely beneficial. But if you have a very, like, I think server-side rendering is primarily useful for when you want to immediately show something rendered to a user when they come, and for SEO stuff and things like that. But other than that, it's probably not very useful. So it really depends on your use case. Okay, so we have this. Cool. My phone says it's gonna take 8 more minutes to do this stuff. Well, in the meantime, let's keep playing. So, oh, I like this. They say happy hacking at the end. That's so cute. Can you guys actually see this? Okay. Wait, I have OBS 18 and, oh, 19? I think 20 just came out. Cool. Okay, so if I run npm start here, I'm gonna get the familiar basic website or web app. So I can go here. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Documents, random coding, AR.js experiment, source, app.js. All right. What kind of courses are you taking? I still don't know how to pronounce your name. Hemmant? I always think it's Hernand, but it's actually not. Okay, so we need a frame. Again, install, save a frame. Man, AI and deep learning. I've kind of been wanting to get into that. Like, I first started trying to get into machine learning stuff many years ago, but I wasn't very good at it. But I want to get back into it because I think it's at the point right now where you can piece things together like Legos, but I'm lacking, I don't know what I'm lacking. I'm lacking like time to figure it out, I guess, and time to actually go into it and get something working. But I think it's a very promising field right now. So we install AR.js as well. Fast.ai, let's see. Cool. Okay, so I have that. Oh, that's still loading. Why is that oh, right, because this thing is downloading iOS. Okay, I have A-frame, AR.js. Now let's see what that does. We go here and we import. Do I just import it? What do I import from A-frame? Okay. Okay, I have no idea what's going on here. Learning stopped, yeah. I have no idea what this does. Let's look at this. Okay, so we have A-frame and AR.js. Well, that's cool. Okay, so audio visualization. That's cool. Okay, so I think this is VR. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think this would look better with. God. Can I move in and out? Yeah. Okay, this I think is designed to be seen with VR goggles, which I don't have. Okay, New York City snow globe. Oh, I can just look around. I can't do anything on this one. Cool, cool. Okay, so I don't have the gear for this stuff actually. Let's go back to this. I wonder if I just import AR.js A-frame, it's gonna just work. And then I try to import. No, this doesn't look good. Music. My problem is that I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be seeing with this 10-line example. So we have. Oh, so we need the marker. Okay. Before I start installing iOS 11. No, remind me later. Let's try opening this example on CodePen. Where are you? And I need to open the hero image or the marker or whatever it's called. Ah, there we go. Okay. Cool, cool. Okay. Now let's try to render that in our React app. So we're going to need, what do we import from A-frame? What does A-frame export? Turn this off. A-frame VR. Cool, cool. Whoa. Oh, right. Remix on glitch. What's glitch? Whoa, that's cool. Okay. I want to see how I use this. How do I use A-frame with JSX? That's what I want to know. Wait. Does it maybe not work with JSX? Ah, we have React VR. Interesting. So it looks like React VR is a different kind of thing to use that is similar to A-frame. That's good to know. Now I wonder why AR.js doesn't talk about React VR. Why does it only talk about A-frame? Okay, and then there's also supposed to be A-frame React. Okay. Very useful. Okay. Okay, I guess let's try that. Although I'm still not sure how to use AR.js with this. What does AR.js even do here? A-frame AR, okay. Okay. Looks like a lot of these things are designed to just go into a global scope and not be used within Webpack or something like that. Cool. Now let's try installing iOS 11 on my phone. And while that's happening, we can see if we can figure out how to do this in Create React App, just because that's what I like using. Alrighty. Okay, let's try installing this. npm install -save. Okay, we have that. So now what do? I do import a frame, import entity and scene from a frame React, and I remove all this crap, or just this crap, and I render a scene. And let's try adding some entities. Okay, there we go. Import a frame particle system component. I don't know what that does, but I'm just gonna copy paste this and see what happens. I think we should be able to reuse this with AR.js. Oh. npm install save a frame particle system component, and my phone is installing iOS 11 right now. That's gonna probably mess up my iOS experience for the next, well, probably until iOS 11 comes out. Okay, npm start. Cool. Well, okay. So we have a thing. Oh, very nice. I don't have goggles, but I can move around, and then I can look here. That's neat. And it seems like there's snow falling everywhere. Very nice. Okay, perfect. I feel like I should commit this. Git init, git status, okay, git add dot, git status, git commit -a -m. We're gonna call this what? Okay, and I'm gonna init it here. Playing around with AR.js. We add a MIT license as usual. and we create. Git remote add origin, that one. Git pull origin master. I think that's gonna create issues. Did not. Okay. Merge origin master. Refusing to merge unrelated histories. Git checkout origin license origin master minus license status git commit add license file git push origin -u master. I need to fix this, and I'm just gonna override it. Okay. Cool. Got that. I hate this create React Native app, or I mean create React app thing. Puts too much stuff in README. Okay, let me just fix up that README because it bothers me. So we do D500, D500, wow, D1000, damn, 10,000 lines? There we go. Great. Okay, so we got that. Now let me just show everyone who's new what we have running. Is it here? Yeah, so we got this square or rectangle, really? No, box. It's a box. Things in this stuff are boxes, and if we go full screen we can still do everything. Oh, and there's looks like there's something there. I don't know how to go down there. Yeah, I don't know how to get down there, but I'm thinking that I would need VR goggles to really do it properly. So the first issue of business is that I'm updating my phone to have iOS 11, and I am currently figuring out how to get AR.js running inside React, inside A-frame React, because I like doing things in React, and AR.js I don't think was built with React in mind. It says something about a marker. Okay, if I click that, it's gonna go full screen. Right, I need a marker, but I currently can't show a marker because my phone is updating stuff. Let me see if I can go borrow my girlfriend's phone in the meantime, and try to show you what this does. Okay, let's see what this demo does. Messages, where does she have messages? Oh, cool. Alright, so see, that's AR.js. I'm gonna try to get that working on the thing, on the React app. Oh, and my phone is also almost finished updating. I can show it here now. Cool. Okay. Oh, interesting. The marker the thing didn't go away here. Okay, so no, open that back. Let's see. Examples. Oh, source. No, examples. What was that one called? Marker camera. Ooh, I wonder what that one does. Okay, let's try the basic one first. Okay, so we already load a frame. Now we need to load a frame AR.js. And we need AR.js context base URL. What? Okay, let's see. So node modules, AR.js, a frame, build, a frame AR.js. If I just import that, JSX skip forward, crazy loop. I think I just crashed Emacs. Yeah. Okay, Emacs is down. Dropbox is using 88%. What? Okay. Kill Emacs.
Hey. Oh my god. You are driving me crazy today. Stop it.
AR.js. A frame. Build. Yeah. Frame AR.js. Okay. That doesn't seem to be doing well. Okay. Okay, so it's using ASM, and it looks like we just have to load it because it does things very globally. Very nice. So we go back to app.js and we import AR.js /build/a-frame AR. I wonder if that's gonna work. Maybe like this? No? Okay, so that's a problem. I don't know how to load AR.js. Let's see. So in package.json it says the entry file, or the main file is 3.js. What? No, we want to do A-frame for some reason. Okay, node modules, AR.js slash A-frame slash build slash A-frame AR. Okay, AR.js A-frame build A-frame AR. Maybe that's gonna work. It's compiling. It's being very slow. Can't resolve web AR. Wow. Might make sense in this case to just put it in the index.html file. That is not useful at all. Oh wow, 4,000 stars, that's pretty cool. Why does this not have better documentation? Oh, there's no wiki? Import, no, require. No examples for import or require. Let's see if AR.js guy himself has a helpful tip or two. Cool. Okay, I'm on iOS 11 now.
Oh my god. I don't really. I didn't really like the pet cup.
Okay, let's see. Maybe he will have some useful. Okay, so I'm now on iOS 11 on this thing, which means I should be able to open. Whoa, everything looks so fucking different. Let's see. So I should now be able to open this link. And if I open the hero image here, so don't know how well you can see this now. Yes, I would like to allow. See, so you can now see the camera here. And if I go on this, oh, well, okay. Now I don't know how to show you this, but it is cool. Let's see. Okay, that's not really working. Okay, I apparently don't have enough cameras and screens to effectively show you how this works. I'm gonna need my girlfriend's phone again. Let me go get her phone again. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So I have the image here. Great. So now if I do, so I have to show you guys this, and bam. Okay. I'm trying to remove screen glare. There you go. So my phone can now show AR stuff, and my girlfriend's phone is serving as the marker. And okay, so it doesn't really do well with tilting because everything is so shiny. There you go. And if I do this, okay, so I can move this thing around. Nah. Cool. Okay. So we don't have anything useful yet. And my phone is very, very warm now. Well, okay, iOS 11 looks weird. Okay. So that was some progress. Now let's see, how do I... Let's see if he has answered. Nope. No answer yet. Cool. Let's, I'm gonna give up on this for now, and I'm gonna just load it the same way it is loaded in these experiments. Let's see, basic.html. Okay, he's just, okay. I wonder what happens if I do this. Node modules, AR.js. Now this is a really bad approach to be doing things, but we can try. Build. Oh. So A-frame / build / A-frame - AR.js. Let's see if that works. Well, okay, that ran. That's good. And just want to check something. Let's see how the stream is doing. Excellent. 0 people watching. Oh no, 4 people watching. That's better. Cool. Okay. Ran out of battery. Hello, bird. Are you being mischievous today? Why did you poop there? Why don't you poop on your poop catcher? Actually, it doesn't say that 6 people are watching. Let's see how many people are watching on live coding. So we have supposedly 4 people watching on YouTube and 2 people watching on live coding, even though 6 people are on supposedly in the chat room, which is kind of weird. And what happened? What did my camera do just now? Oh, this thing. Come on, camera, turn on. Perfect. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so can't resolve web AR. What if I just install that? I don't know if that's a thing that exists. Nope. npm.js, let's look for web AR. No. Okay, so we have to go to Jerome's AR.js thing. Ah, no. Wait, is web AR the thing? So if we go into A-frame, build A-frame AR. How big is this fucking file? Well, web AR. Okay. Very nice. Okay, so he's first loading A-frame, which we do load. Then he loads A-frame AR, but when we try to load A-frame AR, it complains that things don't exist. So let's try doing it manually after all. We go into public index.html. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, there's an npm contrib. Okay, cool. So officially unsupported. Let's see the 10-line example again. Okay, let's load that here. Looks like this possibly won't work with Create React App at all. Which is unfortunate. Move this down, make. Okay, so we still, okay, so we now have the entire thing running and supposedly we have everything loaded that we need. Now the question is, how do we make it work in here? So we have a scene. Let's try doing this. AR toolkit source type webcam. That might work. Let's see what happens. No. A-frame AR.js require is not defined. That's weird. Quite strange. Okay, let's try reloading. Why is require not defined? Oh, because we have A-frame AR minus AR.js. That's weird. Why is this thing using requires even though it's supposed to be R? Let's see. So 10 lines. Okay, so it should have require in there. Okay. URL split is not a function. What if I put this in the butt? Or let me try something. What if I do this? And we just try to load it as a remote file. Nope. Okay, that doesn't work. Back to and let's inspect my page source. Yeah, elements. I want to see where my JavaScript gets loaded. Okay. So now if we go into app.js, what if I remove this? Will it work then? Interesting. So the problem now is that importing stuff partially in as script tags and partially as a webpack thing is causing issues, or maybe not. Okay, URL.split happens every time. Cool, that's promising. So we can go back here. Now let's see A-frame React. What did they say about here? We have to use AR toolkit. Of course. So it's supposed to be a very thin wrapper. What does scene do? Okay, so we get a scene. I'm trying to see if this is even requiring all the, like if it's passing arguments through. Here we get props. What happens with props? I don't know if you can read this. So we have event listeners, then what does entity do with props? Since we're just extending entity. Props.events. Other props. Okay. A-frame React AR toolkit. Interesting. Okay. So okay, let's try that anyway. Okay, so we have a scene and we say AR, let's say embedded, and AR toolkit equals source type is webcam. Then we remove this for now, and we say a box. Let's see if that's gonna work. Material is opacity 0.5, and a marker camera preset equals hero. Okay, let's see if that works. I have a feeling it's not going to work. Clear out messages, waiting for localhost, beautiful. Finished compiling, requires not defined. Great, entity is defined but never used. And the thing never did anything. Let's try that again. Okay, that did not work. Like, now what if we completely avoid all of A-frame React stuff and just do it like this? Will that work? No. Okay, now let's take this out and let's go into index.html and see if we can do it manually up here. So this is giving us a scene embedded AR toolkit equals source type webcam. Okay, let's see if that works. Now we should get a scene on top of the welcome to React stuff. Nope. What if we completely take out this thing? What happens now? Yes, it's not source index.js. Let's not render anything right now. Okay, it's not working at all. Let's try adding this. And let's see what the latest A-frame is. We are up to 0.61. Okay, so we add that here. 0.61. Is that a file that exists? Yep, looks like it. Okay, npm start again. Oh, now it was actually asking for camera. Okay, let's try that again. Excellent. Very interesting. Okay, so now it's complaining about things here. Oh, and let's try taking this out as well for now. Oh, let's see what happens. Cool, cool. Okay, so now if I load the marker image and show it to my camera, I get a nice square box. Okay. Cool, cool. Okay, next step. Now that we have both of those loaded, let's try moving this into the React thing. So go back into index.js, we did that, and we do this. Now let's see what happens. Okay, that worked. Cool, so now I can show the hero image again. Come on. Bigger. Okay, it doesn't seem to work here. I wonder why. So it worked when we had the exact same thing in index.html, but it's not working now that it's rendered in key. Good job, you pooped where you're supposed to. Okay. It's complaining that something. Markers area enabled is not a property for this material. Okay, now if I remove this from here again and go, actually, let's try that. So we have it here, and I'm gonna remove app header stuff, or not. Let's leave app header stuff and go into index.html, and let's add it on top of the root here as well. Let's see what happens now. So now I should have two of them. Well, okay, no. They both try to take up the entire space. But if I do this, okay, so now there is a square there. Okay, so the interesting thing we figured out now is that somehow this scene takes out the entire place it has available. See, now we have, okay, yeah, right. Oh, interesting. Now it's missing. But if I remove it from here, then we get the scene as well, except now it doesn't do the thing. And I cannot tell what the difference is. Let's try to find out the difference. So now we have two scenes. So we have a scene, AR toolkit, a box, canvas, enter VR, blah 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 blah. And in this one we have a scene, class. Whoa. Why did this add so much stuff here? Oh, because I guess AR.js adds a bunch of stuff. I wonder what defines the width and... Oh, okay. I get it. No, maybe I don't. Right now I'm gonna have the marker, yep, offset exactly by the height, of the header. And if I remove this, then I see the same thing, but there's no marker. No marker, okay. Let's see what happens if we take out the embedded part. Ideally, what I would like to be able to do is have two scenes side by side so I can compare them. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so if you take embedded out, then it works. Look, we have two squares overlaid on top of each other. That's kind of cool. Lovely. Okay, I crashed Chrome. Oh, don't run this. Don't run this either. Come on. Come on. Where's the sound coming from? Okay, it's gonna be over soon. I know what it is. It's from a friend's "Why did you unsubscribe" page that I'm gonna rip off and use for my own purposes. Now I need to open back live coding, and I mean basically I need to get my chat rooms back. Cool. So that was interesting. I think that warrants a tweet. Wow. Okay. Very slow computer when it's trying to boot everything back up. Okay. Close this. Where's my original tweet? Great. Now where was I? So we were getting something to twitch a little bit. So I can remove one of the scenes. Excellent. And I can go back to app.js. Cool, cool. And let's see. Perfect. Now it's only offset. What if I scroll up? So that's kind of a problem. I don't know why. It looks like it's assuming that, it looks like AR.js assumes it's always taking the entire screen. So I would say we found a bug. Not a bad result for first time playing with a library thingy. Okay, now let's see if we can actually, let's see if we can use A-frame React instead, because I do like the way it works. So we get A-frame React, and we change this to say scene. Now let's see. Bird. You can just put your toes over my camera. Okay, cool. That still works. Excellent. Although I think my computer is starting to struggle a little bit. Also, check out how weird this looks on iOS 11. I have no idea what this stuff is at the bottom. Looks like they're really going hard on apps in messages. Very nice. App Store for iMessage. No, thank you. Also, this looks weird. I don't know if they think I'm blind or something, but why does it have to use up half of my screen to say messages? Weird. It doesn't seem like I got any funky new features either. Except I should be able to use AR Toolkit from now on and WebRTC. So that's useful. And generally the whole OS looks softer. Okay, so we have that. Now let's see, what if... No. Where does a box come from? And a marker camera. I wonder if that's from AR.js. Okay, what's this? Web AR Playground. Doesn't work. AR Code Generator. Okay. Cool, so it's very marker based. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so game with markers, that looks fun, but okay. So we still only have a box because I don't know how to make more than a box. And that's what I would like to figure out next. Let's try one of these helpful examples. Demo Minecraft launch demo. Okay. Tracking method best. I wonder what that is. Okay, so we have sort. Let's see what happens if I do this. Okay. Well, isn't AR toolkit from okay, that works. Perfect. Isn't AR toolkit from the what's it called? From iOS also markerless? So that would be cool. Wikitude. What is this? Leading cross-platform AR SDK, of course. Whoa. Well then. So basically what you need is you need to have deep learning for, right. Okay, so AR.js, back to that. We're now gonna try to copy the, where is it? The Minecraft thinger. So we say tracking method is best, whatever that means. And we're gonna need a marker camera preset. Let's see, we're gonna need an entity called Minecraft had a name, yes. Minecraft body a name, high wave, then a text, size double value AR.js is ready. And it goes in position minus 1.3, 1.90 with color orange. Then I'm just gonna copy paste all of this because I do not, and we need an A anchor as well. So A anchor hit testing enabled equals true. Okay. Well, right. I'm not sure how the Minecraft stuff is gonna work. I think that needs to come from somewhere, but we'll see. So we have position, color orange, then we have text with color magenta that has an animation with some easing, okay. And you can use self-closing tags because we're in JSX. Okay, we don't need this. Cool. Okay, now where does the Minecraft stuff come from? Let's see, do I have Minecraft in my node modules? Or actually, let's just load it, you know. Wow. Excellent. Raw. And we go back into our index.html. Load shit here, even though I'm not entirely sure what it does. Hello, Onur. Okay. Now let's see what happens when I run this. I'm assuming that I'm gonna get no. Refuse to execute script because text plain is not executable. Why? Okay, and let's download it. Okay, I still have it in my thing, so we can go into public, ls, or actually no, we can go into source and download it here. Excellent. Oh, there. Let's see if that's gonna work. So I go into app.js and I try to import /a-frame Minecraft min.js. Let's see if that works. Cool. Failed to compile, a lot of undefineds. But I just want you to run it anyway. Those are gonna be global. I promise. Okay, that's not gonna work. So what we have to do is kill that and do move a-frame Minecraft to public. And then in index.html, we're gonna load it here. Source is public URL / A-frame Minecraft main.js. Okay, let's start that again. Okay, so now if I show the marker, I should get a Minecraft character, but I don't. Why don't I? What happens if I run come on, where did the examples go? A-frame, examples, Minecraft launch. Okay. Well. Damn, how did these people get so many views? That is a lot of views. Okay. Why is this not working? Because we have the marker, I think. Let's see, what did we have before? Hi. 10 lines. So we have a box position. Let's see. So I'm assuming. So I think what my problem is that this doesn't work at all. Okay, so if I remove all of this stuff, but what are you trying to do? Now if I show, okay, so now we have a box. No, don't do that. Go here. Okay. So what happens if instead of a box, I use both, let's see, a entity, Minecraft head and name equals yes, Minecraft body and name equals high wave. And if I remove this, and let's put that on scratch. So now, if I understand this correctly, I should get both a box and a Minecraft character. Okay, cool. So there is now a Minecraft character, but the Minecraft character is designed to stand up from the page. So let's try that. How do I get to my on this thing. Didn't it used to tell me that? Let's try npm start again. Starting development server. Okay, let's see if that works. Nope. What is my IP? 192, come on. What? Do I have an IPv6 that I can use? Let's see, I wonder. Let's see. Create React app access from network. Oh wait, I can start ngrok. No. How do I find out what my local network IP is? Okay, let's see if that works. 10.0.0.3 3000. What? So it's telling me that camera is not allowed for some reason. Perfect. What? Also, why does my computer have two different IPs? That's confusing. Okay, let's try 10.0.14 then. So I'm getting this weird error. It's not good. What if I try on Chrome? Bert, come on. Okay, so Chrome doesn't have WebRTC, but my Safari should. Not allowed. The request is not allowed by the user agent or the platform in current context. Look. What can I try? Let's see. Let's see if anything useful shows up. Because we got it working earlier on an official example, didn't we? Yeah, let's see. So the official example works, but when I try to access camera on from my IP, it doesn't. Let's see what happens if I enable ngrok. Okay. Oh, idiot. Okay, so now when I go to swizzles.ngrok.io, that loads. Oh, god damn it. That's annoying. So because my thing is not running on HTTPS, it doesn't want to run on Safari. What about, let's see if I can fake HTTPS. Nope. That's a problem. So WebRTC allows you to open the webcam on localhost or on HTTPS, but not on just anything. So what I have to do is I have to deploy this as a GitHub page. Okay, so then we need create React app. I'm gonna look for the GitHub pages deploy stuff. Come on. Ah, there we go. npm install say gh pages. And we go into package JSON. Pre-deploy equals npm run build and deploy gh pages minus d build. Okay, and we have to add R. So we add pre-deploy called npm run build and deploy called gh pages minus d build and homepage, which is https swizzles.github.io/AR-JS-experiment. Okay, cool. Now I can npm run deploy, and then we'll be able to test it on my phone, which is silly. I've run out of water and stuff. Come on. Very difficult to type. Oh, cool. 2 hours already. Okay, so now if I go to Swiss GitHub IO / AR.js experiment, it loads. Excellent. And I can send it to myself again. Now, if I go here on my phone, click that. Excellent. It asks me for camera permission. Now all I need is the marker. I also need to go full screen. Okay. Ooh, I did not know that. So now it's trying to give me a cardboard experience because I clicked the button. But for some reason it's still showing me the very annoying stuff. Okay. I need to make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. And I need a marker. Cool. Okay, let me try something. I'm gonna remove the header stuff. AR.js, so we remove the box because it's in the way, and we remove all of this because it's annoying, and we deploy again. Where did the music go? Okay. Now I should have more room on the screen now. Come on. Come on, I thought I removed that stuff. Yeah, so there's no more... Oh, but did it deploy correctly? Why didn't it deploy without that stuff? Ah, there we go. Okay. Great. So now I have more room here. Now if I get a marker from my girlfriend's phone and I point to it, let's see. So that's my phone. I think I'm getting too much shine from everything. Yeah, it's not recognizing. That's so weird. So we had the Minecraft guy working, but as soon as I removed the box, the Minecraft guy stopped working, and I'm not sure why. Look, so if I put the box back, then I think this already reloaded, and when I show the thing, no? Hello, bird. Okay, let's put the box back. Oh, okay, I'm not loading the... Hi. Okay. Now when I show this, we get the box, and you see inside the box you can see the guy. But it's the guy is supposed to stand up. Now, if I remove the box, and there's no more guy. So let's try with the A anchor thing that they had in here. Dude. Okay, let's try this. So A minus anchor. Hit. I have no idea what this does. Testing enabled, true. And let's just keep the camera inside A. No. This, and then A camera static. I wonder if the problem is with how the Minecraft guy is implemented. Maybe it needs a different marker. Whoa. Oh, I went somewhere. This is very annoying. Now if I put the box back, then we should... Are we suddenly gonna see... Yeah, then we suddenly see the Minecraft guy again. Let's see. What happens now? Nope. Okay, so I don't know why we need the box to be there for the Minecraft guy to show up. But for some reason we do. Let's try deploying that and get it to run on my phone. Hi, bird. Okay. This is taking a while. Great. Now let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna test that it works. No, not yet. So the problem is that because I have to push it to GitHub, it doesn't always immediately update. So it's hard to tell when you're loading new code or old code. Yep. Come on, load the new code. Cool. We have the marker. Not sure what this does. Oh, okay. So that's the marker helper. Okay. Now let's see if my phone picks up on it already. Yep. Cool. Okay, now let's see if I can show you this. Okay, so I have the marker and you can't actually see anything. So this stuff turns out to be really difficult to show people. Okay, let's toggle marker helper. So it sees the marker and okay, so see there's a guy on it, Minecraft guy, but he's not really doing much. Oh, wait, maybe if I, whoa, okay, so this is what the new iOS screen thingy works when you open it. Okay, you have controls like this now. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's see if that makes it easier to see what's going on. Aha, my Chrome crashed. Okay. There you go. I'm not sure why the Minecraft guy is not moving in this one. But there he is. Sort of. Ah, what did I do? Cool. Great. Bird, what are you doing back there? Okay. Oh. You need to stop. You need to stop also. So should you. Great. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish live coding for now. It's been 2 hours. Cool, so I'm gonna stop live coding for today. We're gonna have another session as usual next weekend, and thanks everyone for watching. There's gonna be a recap with lessons learned on my blog, probably tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for now. We're gonna try to explore more of this AR stuff because I think it's really interesting. Bye guys.